nicely won there. The attack came to nothing. Steals the ball. They're on the attack. They've done everything possible to keep the ball out of the box. Possession maintained here. Rosicki. Goal in sight here. Henry! Oh, what a goal! They've opened the scoring. 10 minutes from the end of the first half. A beautiful right foot finish. It's a disappointing turnout, but you wouldn't know it with the noise they're making today. Could he have done it any better? This is how the first goal was conceded then.